Hey everyone, today I have an Amazon Echo 4th generation, the ball-shaped one in the Twilight blue color. I was able to get 10% back on this purchase because I used my Amazon Prime Visa signature card, which I did an unboxing also about. If you guys are interested in that Amazon credit card, feel free to check out my video on that. When it comes to Amazon products, there's always tends to be some kind of discount or deal associated with it. So I'll put the link to the product in the description so you guys can check it out and see what the current deal is. But anyways, let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. I made sure to pick a packaging that wouldn't reveal the interior contents. By default, it's not. So if you don't want everybody to know that you just got an Echo, you might want to check that box when you check out. So removing this little handle cardboard, you can take a look at the Echo box design. So it tells a pretty nice speaker system with 2 tweeters and 3 subwoofers, as well as Bluetooth and also auxiliary connection if you want to hardwire. Breaking that seal and opening the lid, you can see we're greeted with the Ball Echo. Let's put that to the side while we take a look at the other accessories that come in the box. We have the charger in white, and I believe it is in white for all colors of the Echo. So luckily it does kind of match the Twilight blue color. And lastly, we have the little quick start guide in 3 different languages on how to set up your Echo, which is still very straightforward. I'll be showing you the setup process in just a minute, but first let's go ahead and take this plastic off the Echo here. And you see it's a pretty nice 2-tone color design. For being Twilight blue, it's a little bit on the light side. But the good news here is that the buttons are nice and clicky. I really like how tactile they are. You can see the ring light is around the bottom, and there's also a threaded port on the bottom, so you can actually put this on a tripod or a stand, and it has grips on the bottom to allow you to put it on a smooth surface without worrying about it slipping around. That little flap is covering a battery connection actually for some third-party accessories, which I also got one here that I can use to add a battery to the Echo so I don't have to keep it plugged in all the time. It might be useful if you want to move your Echo around in your house or take it with you when you travel. And here on the back, the left port is for the power adapter, on the right is for the headphone in or out, so it's auxiliary in or out. And that's the key features of the Echo. You got the 4 buttons, of course, at top for volume controls, a general action button, which is that circle, and then the circle with the slash is to mute the microphone. Now here comes the very straightforward setup process. So just plug in the device into your power outlet, and then the Echo will turn on immediately. You get that nice cool blue ring light down there. And then you will probably want to download the Alexa app if you don't have it already to get started. So just follow the prompts in the app to get started, set up your accounts, and then connect it to your Wi-Fi. When you're trying to pair your Echo, you want to make sure that the light is this orange color. If it eventually turns purple, it means it's not trying to connect anymore and you may have issues. So in those cases, just unplug your Echo and plug it back in again and make sure that light is orange. Then
your Echo is ready.
And then that's basically it. You have your Echo all set up and ready to answer your commands. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, as usual, hit that like button. Consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.